Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you out around Uyo Town. I just want to take you around. Please sit down, relax and enjoy as I take you around the beautiful city of Uyo in the night. Let's go have fun. Yes, see you. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for coming. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate it. So a part of this video was actually missing, like some part of this particular video was missing, and when I found it I thought to myself that it's still not too bad enough to post it, so here is it. So I took on the streets of Uyo to show you sights and sounds of Uyo. Please sit back, relax and enjoy this video. This is waterfalls on Inwanyiba, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. So here is it. Here are people sitting and having fun with the families. Okay, so I decided to show you guys before it is being dismantled. You can see we don't have a lot of people here today because it's the beginning of the year and a lot of people have returned back to their places of work and their base. So guys, yeah, that is it. This place is called Waiba Water Fountain, Waterfall. Wow, this is really nice. Do enjoy the rest of this video. So we made a quick stopover at the Christmas village, and on this particular day people were so much, the crowd was so massive. So just come along with us for a bit before we head out to the streets. So the government build kiosk every year and interested people come to pay and collect each kiosk, and of course they sell whatever they want to sell during the festivity. In this Christmas village there was a small stage where people and of course young artists in Uyo were encouraged to perform and of course given a little money, and you can see the spectators, people that were standing by and watching what was going on. Can you see that Father Christmas? So guys, this is a yearly ritual in Akwa Ibom State where kiosks are being built and people come in to have fun.
How much? 500 naira. What is how much?
How do you sell? How do you sell? How do you sell a portion? Alright, so let's get back into the streets. This is the state government house road. This road leads to the state government house. We'll just go for a bit, and of course, you know that there will be a lot of securities and would turn back almost immediately. So that's the first gate to Government House. Guys, that is the sight and sounds of Uyo in the night. As you can see, people are in this garden enjoying themselves, making merry. Families are here and there. They all came out to have fun. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe so that anytime I bring videos like this to you, you would all be notified. That is the only way you get to know that I have dropped a new video. Yes guys, so yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, I know you did. Alright, so see you in my next video. Goodbye.